Hello everyone. This lecture is based on normalization of context-free grammars. Normalization is used to reduce the redundancy of any production rule. There are three steps of normalizing CFG. The first one is removing epsilon productions. Second, removing unit productions. And third, you're removing useless productions or useless symbols. The symbols that are not reachable are termed as useless symbols. So this definition consists of non-reachable and which cannot generate strings. They cannot generate any strings. They are termed as useless symbols. Okay, let's start with the first one. How to eliminate epsilon production. To eliminate epsilon productions, you need to identify nullable variables either directly or indirectly. Example of directly and indirectly I'll show using this production rule. A derives epsilon. So this is directly stating that A is deriving epsilon. So this is an epsilon production, hence directly. Second example, A derives A, and there is one more, A derives B derives epsilon. So B is a nullable variable, and since A is also deriving B, A is indirectly nullable. Okay, when it is clearly stated A derives epsilon, you call it as directly stated. It's a nullable variable. And when a non-terminal derives epsilon indirectly, example, B is deriving epsilon, this is stated directly, but since there is a rule, production rule, A derives B, that means it will also derive epsilon. So this is termed as indirectly. Let's take an example to see how to eliminate epsilon production. These are the production rules given. S derives ABA, A derives epsilon, and B derives A. It is clearly stated that A is nullable variable. This has been stated directly. Nullable variable because A derives epsilon. Next, if you look at production rule B, there is no capital A or variable A, so B cannot derive epsilon. Neither can S derive epsilon. So let's see what will be the productions if you remove this epsilon production. We'll start like this. Take the first rule, S derives ABA. If I replace this A by epsilon, then the production rule that I'll get is S derives BA. Next, if I replace this A with epsilon, I will get AB. If I replace only this with epsilon, I'll get A and B. Third, if I replace both of these A's with epsilon, I will get only B. So my S production will now become, I have originally ABA, to which I'm adding BA. I'm also adding AB, and I'll also be adding single B. All these are obtained by replacing every occurrence of A with epsilon. Next, A derives epsilon, this we are not considering. And finally, you have B derives A. So this is the final answer after eliminating epsilon productions. Thank you.